Today, we're debunking 17 common myths about reptiles. These creatures often get a bad rap, but most of it is based on misinformation. So let's set the record straight. First on our myth-busting list, all reptiles are slimy. False. While amphibians have moist skin, reptiles have dry, scaly skin. If a reptile feels slimy, it's most likely due to a wet or moist environment. Second myth, reptiles are all cold-blooded killers. Not true. The term cold-blooded simply means they can't regulate their body temperature like mammals. Their behavior varies widely, and most pose no threat to humans. Third myth, reptiles are all poisonous. This is a common misconception. While some reptiles are venomous, the majority are completely harmless. Only a very small number of species pose a danger to humans. Fourth myth, all reptiles lay eggs. Incorrect. While many do, some species like boa constrictors and green anacondas give live birth. Moving on to myth number 5, reptiles are dirty and carry diseases. The truth is, like all animals, reptiles can carry diseases, but with proper care and hygiene, the risk of transmission is minimal. Sixth myth, reptiles are slow and lazy. False. Some reptiles, like the black mamba snake, can reach speeds up to 12 miles per hour. Many species are highly active hunters. Seventh myth, reptiles are primitive and unintelligent. On the contrary, many species demonstrate problem-solving skills and have complex social structures. Moving on to myth 8, reptiles have poor eyesight. This is not true for all reptiles. Many species, such as geckos and chameleons, have excellent vision. Ninth myth, reptiles are all carnivorous. While many are, some species like iguanas are primarily herbivores. Myth 10, lizards are carriers of leprosy. There have been rare cases of lizards carrying Mycobacterium leprae, the bacteria that causes leprosy. However, the risk of transmission to humans is considered minimal. Myth 11, lizards are primitive animals. Lizards are not primitive. They are well adapted to their environments and have evolved numerous specialized traits over millions of years. Myth 12, lizards can crawl on walls and ceilings like spiders. Lizards cannot adhere to surfaces like spiders. They rely on their climbing abilities and specialized toe pads to scale vertical surfaces. Myth 13, reptiles are cold-blooded and cannot regulate their body temperature. Reptiles are ectothermic, which means they rely on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. However, they exhibit various behavioral adaptations to control their body heat effectively. Myth 14, glass frogs and rainmaking. In certain regions of Central and South America where glass frogs are found, there is a belief that these frogs can predict or control the rain. According to the myth, the transparency of their skin allows them to see the weather changes before they occur, enabling them to signal upcoming rain or storms. In some cultures, glass frogs are considered rain frogs or weather frogs. Myth number 15, reptiles are emotionless. While they may not express emotions in the same way mammals do, many species display signs of social bonding and stress. Myth 16, turtles can come out of their shells. A turtle's shell is a part of its body, and it cannot come out of it. The shell provides protection and is fused to the turtle's spine and ribs. Myth 17, magical healing properties of Chinese alligator. In traditional Chinese medicine, it was believed that various parts of the Chinese alligator could cure ailments or bestow special powers upon those who consumed them. For instance, the meat, organs, or even the bones were thought to have medicinal value, leading to their use in traditional remedies. Today, we've debunked 17 common myths about reptiles. It's important to remember that these creatures are diverse and complex, and they deserve our respect and understanding. Thanks for watching and stay curious.